Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Instagram app on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or another Android-based system, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the Play Store listed in here. Down at the bottom, select the search button and you want to search for Instagram. And then select the install option next to Instagram. Should be a verified publisher in here. Just give it a moment to download and install. And there you go, guys. Now you can go ahead and open it. It should be on your home screen, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.